Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the airplane mode on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the crown button, like this, then swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Here, scroll up by swiping down on the screen. As you can see at the top we have airplane mode icon. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, like this, and you can tell that the airplane mode is enabled by this icon right here at the top. And to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel again and tap on the airplane mode icon again to disable it, like this. And that's how you enable the airplane mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.